Why don't we move on to our next topic? This one's pretty funny. The Google Pixel 6 refuses to charge with low-quality cables. So there have been numerous reports from users on Google's forums that reveal the latest Pixel phones refuse to charge, but only under specific circumstances. And at the heart of the issue appears to be the quality of the Type-C cables being used. So lower quality Type-C cables and chargers, incapable of power delivery, appear to be incapable of pushing any charge to the devices. And the really frustrating thing is that while on Google's support page, it is stated that Pixel phones might not work with some cables in order to protect the battery from the damage that out-of-spec charging might cause, there doesn't appear to be any meaningful error message that really gets pushed out to users. It doesn't say, hey, get more money, buy a better cable. It just
doesn't work. There's also a note here that I was kind of searching for, and I strongly agree with. On-cable labeling is extremely uncommon these days. It's not like Ethernet back in the day where every single one had the printing across the entire cable.
They still do.
Ethernet does?
Yeah, pretty much all of them I've seen. Yep.
Okay, sweet. Anyways, USB-C, not so much.
No.
I don't think I have a single labeled USB-C cable. I'm sure people out there do. It's very likely, I think, on the plug itself, you might have a little stamp that indicates what it is. But like
on USB-C?
Yeah.
I've never seen it.
No? Yeah.
Nope.
I don't know.
Nope.
I haven't seen labeling at all. So like figuring this out as a layman would be very annoying.
Pretty much the only way that I can tell if it's wired for USB 2 or USB 3 is just by the thickness of the cable. And even that's not a surefire thing because it could just have a really thick sheath on, 5 conductors, or I don't know. I guess it would be 9 or whatever it would be for reversibility. And the thing is that in addition to just how many conductors are running down a Type-C cable, there's also the gauge of them, right? So especially as we get into, I think we've got 100 watt now, but as we get into 240 watt power delivery over USB Type-C, that is going to be really important. And it's actually a really great safety feature that Google has, that it just prevents the phone from operating correctly with a cable that could damage it. It's just that they need to do a better job of documenting what's happening or alerting the user to what's happening so that people don't get confused.